Yeah, there is a bird caged. A bird in a cage. So let us see what will happen next. हमारा घर कलकत्ता शहर के एक मोहल्ले में थे. So हमारा means ours. Ours house is at Kolkata. It's at Kolkata. Say mohalla means a street. Our house is at Kolkata street. There is a street in Kolkata and our house is situated there. मोहल्ले के सभी घरों की छतें बड़ी-बड़ी थी. छतें means roof. Roof of the house was bigger. Every roof in Kolkata, every roof of a house in Kolkata was bigger. घर में आगे पीछे खुले बरामदा थे. बरामदा means front of the house. Okay, front of the house verandas was big. Back and front there was an open veranda without any that means without any grills fitted over there. It was open for all. That means you can go freely and there was no gate or something. Open खुले veranda थे. और क्या हुआ? हर घर में के बरामदे और छतों पर पिंजरे लटकते दिखाई थे. So I can see that in each and every house, in front of every house, there was a cage hanging. Why we hang a cage in a house? Yeah, if there is a bird cage, the cage hangs out the house. Okay. यही शौक मेरी मंजली भाभी को भी थी. So Bobby means sister-in-law. So this hobby was there for my sister-in-law also. Okay, let us move forward. घर के शोरगुल के बीच मुझे जब भी पिंजरों में बंद पंछी की आवाज सुनाई देती तो मेरा मन दुखी होता था. So what is going on? In the cage there are few birds hanging in every houses. So his heart became to feel sad. Oh my God, why are the birds caged like this? Why are they caged like this? They should be left free. They are to be left free to fly. Birds should fly in the sky, right? And not should be caged like this. If you are caged in a house, how do you feel? Yeah, you will feel very bad, right? You will feel that you are in a prison. The same way the birds also feel so. They are in a prison. Okay, let us move on. मैं अपने घर की छत पर खुले आकाश में पतंग उड़ाता. उड़ती पतंग के साथ होड़ लगाते पक्षी मुझे अच्छी लगते. So what this boy does? He used to fly kites in the sky. What do you mean by kite? Patang. Yeah, it's a kite. So what we do the kite? We will make the kite fly in the sky, right? So when the kites fly, some birds will be surrounding around the kite. So that feels good. When the birds fly over, it feels good. But when the bird is caged, it feels so sad. Okay. अच्छे लगा. और क्या हुआ? तभी मेरी निगाह चाँद पर पिंजरों में पंख फड़फड़ाते पक्षियों पर पड़ती. So I was looking at the birds rather than kite. The kite and birds are also flying in the sky, but my sight was on the bird. How happily the birds are flying in the sky and freely, and not like the caged bird at my home. Okay. मेरा मन इन बंद चिड़ियों के साथ उदास हो जाता. So I was feeling very sad thinking of the bird that is caged in the cage. Okay. एक दिन मंजली भाभी एक नया पिंजरा लेकर आई. Oh my God. See what happened? Manjali Bhabhi, Manjali's sister-in-law, she brought a new cage. So she is going to bring another bird or something else in the cage. Let us see what is it. पड़ोसी की सभी औरतें नए पक्षियों को देखने आया. So the neighbor ladies came to see the birds, new birds. Padosi means neighbor. Aurato means ladies. So they came to see the new bird to be caged. मामी नए कैदी को देखने आए. See, they use the words here. Kaidi. Kaidi means a prisoner. So my mother also came to see the new prisoner. See what it signifies? It signifies that the bird in the cage are like prisoners. Okay. वहां जाकर देखा कि इस बार सभी औरतों बाबी की पसंद की तारीफ कर रही थी. So this time every ladies was praising the Barbie. Barbie means sister. Every ladies were praising the Barbie. Why is it so? Let us see. चारों तरफ चक्कर लगाते गिलहरी को देखकर मैं परेशान हो गए. मैं बाबी से कहा, आप इस बेजुबान प्राणी का अत्याचार कर रही हो. So what was there in the new cage? It was गिलहरी. गिलहरी क्या है? Yeah, it's the poor squirrel. Will anybody cage the squirrel? No, it's bad to cage the squirrel. Squirrel are roaming freely in the trees. Then why did you capture it? That is too bad, Barbie. You are doing sin to it. So you should not cage the squirrel. Let us leave it free. Atyachar means trouble. Okay. आखिर जब मुझसे रहा न गए तब एक दिन मैंने गिलहरी और दूसरे बंद पक्षियों को आजाद कर दिया. Very good. What did this boy do? When nobody was near there, he let free the bird and the gilhari, the bird and squirrel, so that the birds and squirrel were free. What happened? The boy felt sad to this caged bird and squirrel and he let him free when nobody was near him. Then what happened? इसके लिए मजली बाबी और परिवार के बड़े से बहुत डांट सुनानी पड़ी. So what happened? Majli Babi and his family was shouting at him. Why did you do so? It's so bad to do so. So the poor boy had to get scoldings from his Majli Babi and family. Poor thing, right? Don't we also feel bad when we are seeing the birds in the cage? Yeah, we do feel bad. Then why should he get scoldings? He had done a good job, right? It's our duty to free those animals. I too don't like the birds that is caged. Do you like? No, you also don't like because it's kids like you. When you are caged, you will feel bad. So when the birds are caged, he also felt bad and let it free. Then what happened? So he got many scoldings, poor boy, right? मैं सब चुपचाप चल गया. So I was listening to it silently. When anybody scold me, it's no bother. Because it's my duty to free the squirrel and birds and I have done it. पिंजरों में बंद प्राणियों को आजाद करके मैं प्रसन्न हुआ. So he was not at all sad for the scoldings because he had freed the caged bird and squirrel. Okay, did you all like this lesson? So you don't leave anyone to cage the birds or squirrel. You should go and fight against it. Don't cage the squirrel and birds. Poor fellows, they should be roaming free all over. Okay, so did you like the lesson? Then it's time to wind up my class. So meet you all in the next class. Until then, bye bye. All of you take good care.